Disclaimer. This video is owned and developed by JOFF TV blog. For those new viewers, please consider to subscribing. Like and share, click the notification bell to be notified of my new videos. Ohmmeter. Ohmmeter. An ohmmeter is an electrical instrument that measures electrical resistance, which is expressed in ohms. Ohmmeter scale. Ohmmeter scale is considered a nonlinear scale. It's found or situated on the uppermost scale of a multimeter. How to read an ohmmeter scale? Interval from 0 to 2 ohms. Per division O are gradual, it's count by 0.2 ohm. The first gradual, it's read 0.2 ohm. 0.4 ohm. 0.6 ohm. 0.8 ohm. 1 ohm. 1.2 ohm. 1.4 ohm. 1.6 ohm. 1.8 ohm. 2 ohm. Next, interval from 2 to 10 ohms. ITs count by 0.5 ohm. 2 ohm. 2.5 ohm. 3 ohm. 3.5 ohm. 4 ohm. 4.5 ohm. 5 ohm. 5.5 ohm. 6 ohm. 6.5 ohm. 7 ohm. 7.5 ohm. 8 ohm. 8.5 ohm. 9 ohm. 9.5 ohm. 10 ohm. Next, interval from 10 to 20 ohms. Each division, it's count by 1 ohm. 10 ohm. 11 ohm. 12 ohm. 13 ohm. 14 ohm. 15 ohm. 16 ohm. 17 ohm. 18 ohm. 19 ohm. 20 ohm.